Do you know many people are having trouble with activating the Stay On feature on their Black & Decker TO3215SS Oven? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Set temperature. Set the temperature selector knob to your desired baking setting. Step 2. Adjust timer. Turn the timer selector knob to 20, then adjust it to your desired baking time. Step 3. Activate Stay On. Choose the Stay On option for baking longer than 60 minutes or to manually control cooking time. Step 4. Insert food. Once preheated, open the oven door, insert your food, and close the door. Step 5. Monitor baking. If using the timer, a signal will alert you when baking is done. The oven will turn off and the light will go out. Turn the oven off manually if not using the timer. Step 6. Remove and unplug. Use oven mitts to remove the cooked food and unplug the appliance when finished. By now, you should be able to easily activate the Stay On feature and enjoy your baking without interruptions. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Black & Decker users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.